Hello my dear students, welcome back to your online classes. Myself Pooja Peswani from Royal International School. This video is for class 4th. Your subject is math. Okay. In this video we are going to start exercise number 1.2. Okay. 1.1 we have already done in our previous video. So in this video we are going to start from exercise number 1.2. Okay, let's start. Question number first is write in expanded form. Expanded form is the method to divide a number that makes easy to understand. Okay, expanded form क्या होता है? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एक मेथड है जिससे हम नंबर को क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं, जिससे हमको उसे लर्न करने में, उसे सीखने में इजी होता है, आसानी होती है. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर प्लेस वैल्यू वी एक्सपेंड अ नंबर. अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेस वैल्यू हम नंबर को एक्सपेंड करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 71,428. 71,000. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you check the place value of digits, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and the last is 10,000. 7 is in 10,000 place, so 7 multiplied by 10,000. 7 multiplied by 10,000 means 70,000. 7 is in 10,000 place, so 7 multiplied by 10,000, 70,000. Next, 1 is in 1,000 place, 1 multiplied by 1,000, 1,000. 1 in 1,000 place, 1 multiplied by 1,000, 1,000. Okay, 4 is in 100 place, 4 multiplied by 100, 400. 4 multiplied by 100, 400. Okay. 2 is in tens place, 2 multiplied by 10, 20. 2 multiplied by tens, 20. And the last is 8 is in ones place, 8 multiplied by 1, 8. 8 multiplied by 1, 8. Okay, like this we will solve this also. 63,907. 63,907. 6 is in 10,000 place, 6 multiplied by 10,000, 60,000. 6 multiplied by 10,000, 60,000. 3 is in 10,000 place, 3 multiplied by 1,000, 3,000. 3 multiplied by 1,000, 3,000. 9 is in 100 place, 9 multiplied by 100, 900. 9 multiplied by 100, 900. 0 is in tens place, 0 multiplied by 10, 0. If you multiply 0 by any number, it becomes 0. 0 multiplied by tens, 0. And the last one is 10 multiplied by ones, 7 multiplied by ones, 7. Is that clear? This is the method. This is the formation of expanded form. Okay? You will do, there is another part of this question. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. This will be provide lakhs value also. Okay? So, lakhs value 3 multiplied by lakhs. 3 is in lakhs place. 3 multiplied by 1 lakh equals to 3 lakhs. Is that clear? 9 is in 10,000 place. 9 multiplied by 10,000, 90,000. 2 is in 1,000 place. 2 multiplied by 1,000, 2,000. 1 is in 100 place, 1 multiplied by 100, 100. 4 is in tens place, 4 multiplied by tens, 40. And 7 is in ones place, 7 multiplied by sorry, 5 is in ones place, 5 multiplied by 1, it become 5. Write down. Okay. Question number second is write in standard form. Standard form it means short form में लिखना है आपको. Expand, there is a number which are given in expanded form. You write down these numbers in short form or standard form. 8,70,300, sorry, 8,73,000. Both are in pair. 8,73,000. 8,73,482. 8,73,482. Count the numbers. This value is in lakhs. So we have the digit in 6. We have 6 digit. हमें 6 digit की need है. 1, 10, 100, 10,000, 10,000, lakh. This is proper. Okay. Now second is in words. 5 lakhs 3,904. 4 ones place पे है 4. 5 lakh 3,904. Is this number is complete? No. There are some missing values. In the Indian number system, there is in first pair we need 3 numbers. The number value of missing number value of tens place. So we will put 0 on it. Tens place value का number missing है ना, तो हम क्या put करेंगे? 0 put करेंगे. Thousands place value is given, but 10,000 place value is missing. So in that case, we also put 0. Is that clear? Now the number becomes 6 digit and 6 digit number is lakhs value. Okay? Clear out हो गया? 6 digit number चाहिए ना हमें lakhs value बनाने के लिए एक 6 digit की number की necessary है, requirement है. 10,000. TTS represent 10,000. 10,000 means 4 multiplied by 10,000. 4 multiplied by 10. This is D part. Okay. T part. 4 multiplied by 10,000. 40,000. It become 40,000. Is that clear? 4,000. 26. 4,026. 44,026. 44,026. 100 place values number is missing, so we put 0. 44,026. Is that clear? There are some sub parts also in your book, so you will solve it yourself. Okay? Now, question number 3rd. Write down. Question number 3rd is put correct sign. Put correct sign. Symbol of less than or greater than. Put correct sign. Less than, greater than or equals to. On behalf of comparison of two numbers. We put these signs on behalf of comparison of two numbers. First number is 5,681. 5,681. Other number is 5,816. First of all, I am going to tell you how to compare two numbers. How to compare two numbers. First of all, you will check the last place value of this number. Last place values means last place concept. जैसे इस नंबर में लास्ट प्लेस वैल्यू 1000 की है, 1 10 100 1000, तो हम लास्ट प्लेस वैल्यू को चेकआउट करेंगे. 5,000 5,000 both are same. So in term of last place value is same, you will check out other वैल्यू, आफ्टर देन लास्ट प्लेस वैल्यू. 1000 प्लेस वैल्यू के बाद कौन सी प्लेस वैल्यू होती है? 100 प्लेस वैल्यू. We will check out the 100 place value of both numbers. There are 600 and there is 800. There are 600 and there are 800. Which is the biggest? 800 is the biggest number. So we put greater than symbol 5816. Are you getting me? आप क्या करेंगे? अगर आपका कंपैरिजन स्टार्टिंग प्लेस वैल्यू से हो जाता है तब तो ठीक है. अगर आपका कंपैरिजन स्टार्टिंग प्लेस वैल्यू सेम है तो आप क्या करेंगे? उसको हाइड करके नेक्स्ट प्लेस वैल्यू पे आ जाएंगे. 1000 है तो 100 प्लेस वैल्यू चेक करेंगे. इन कंडीशन 100 प्लेस वैल्यू भी सेम है. फिर आप क्या करेंगे? फिर आप 10th प्लेस वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग नंबर का कंपैरिजन करेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? सेकंड लेंगे 69,410 and another number is 69,342. The last place value is 10,000. Last place value is 10,000. Both are same. 6. 10,000 के बाद 1000 place value. This is also same. 69,000. Both are same. Now we will go on 100 place value. There is 4 and there is 3. Which is the biggest? 4 is the biggest. So 69,410 is the biggest number. Is that clear? Okay. Last F. 3,92,085. Other number is 3,93,805. Last place value is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Both are same. Now come on 10,000 place value. 9. This is also same. Now come on 1000 place value. 2, 3. Which is the biggest? 3 is the biggest. So 3,93,085 is the biggest number. Okay. So these 3 questions you will solve in your notebook. Your homework is question number 1, 2 and 3. You will solve in your notebook. Till tomorrow तक आपको ये वर्क कंप्लीट करना है. ओके. If you have any doubt, any problem to solving these questions, you will drop your message on our WhatsApp group. I will solve your problem in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home.